Okay, hello, my name is Adler Pashuhan, and here I will be going through our assignment 2 about the mass game. Based on the requirements, first our code will be checking the score.txt in our Google Drive to see if there is any previous score recorded. And if yes, we will be writing this message uh, and the previous score. And if it's our first time entering to the game, we will be prompting the welcome to your mass game and then the questions and challenges for the mass game, which contains choosing two random numbers and also random operation between them. We will be comparing the answer of the user with like true answer and giving a score based on that and penalizing also the user based on any uh, incorrect. So here we are first going to just import our libraries we need for this game. First we are importing the random module for choosing random numbers and also a string module to be able to work with strings. We are just using the try and except for catching any errors if there is any error importing these libraries. After that, since based on the requirements, we will be checking the Google Drive. We need to uh, from Google Colab, we need to import the drive module and then mount it as the environment variable for our Google Colab, which here we are mounting it, this address. The next portion is focused on opening the file. So we will be using the with option, which in this case we don't need to close the file after we opened it, and from many encryption the file will be saved. So after initializing the environment, after initializing the variable for the name of file path, we write the file path for the score and just handling as we handle the errors. We first check, open the path of the directory and read that file. And also then here we also stripe it, which means that we just get rid of any unnecessary white spaces. If the score existed, we will be prompting this message with the user. But if the file doesn't exist, we will be creating a file. We will be writing a file. So we will be going this way. And if there is any error, we will be prompting these error messages. The next portion is about updating our score. So first we define the global variable for our max score, then writing a function to update that. Since we are calling this variable which is global inside of our function, and we don't want it to be its own local, we want to just reference this, so we will be adding this global. And if the new score is more than the max score, then we will be updating that and printing these messages. The next one is just as we see, we imported the modules for the random and the operator. We are writing our mass game, basically the logic of the math game. uh, Here it comes. First, we are importing the random module to choose the random numbers and also operators, uh, defining the global of the max score and the my mass test, uh, referring to this one, and choosing two numbers, random numbers between 1 to 10, and we name them A and B. We create another dictionary as ops and as a key value pair, positive for operator dot add, and so on. Here we will be choosing a random uh, value for from this dictionary. Then the answer for our math game will be calculated here when we have the function from the randomly chosen, and two numbers which were randomly also chosen will be calculated and saved in the computer. Once we got the answer from user, we will be changing it to the integer, and then we will be comparing them. If it's the right one, we will be adding to the max score as we said here, and if not, we will be deducting one. Here